I am Sai Varun from World Tech University. My teammates are Nadipal Sainadh and also Puchkala Naveen Kumar. Our topic is trying generated trace using advanced STYLEGAN with web application. It's used to virtual dressing when it is the trial room from in house or any other location. No need to go to shops and also clothing shops, and also no need to taking any other going to the trial rooms and wearing the dress. No need of the wasting of time. So we created a project, the virtual dressing in a house only. So coming to the point, our abstract is the concept of virtual clothing try on, which involves the supervising and image of desired garment onto a model, has gained in significant attention in recent years. The standard try-on task tries to present a natural fit between the target garment and on the given body, giving the user the impression that they are trying on the item. However, in real life, the people also are care about what they are trying on various stances. To address this issue, we present a try-on environment that allows for customization for both the garment and also model's position. To purpose, we present a generative address adversarial networks based on the post-guided virtual on technique. Experiments on the newly required dataset to show the outperform state of generative models in the image based on per try-on task. The keywords are virtual dressing room. Also, it is the made up of generative adversarial networks. The algorithm is used. Most of the online shopping channels will use for the virtual dressing and personalized shopping experience will be occur. Coming to the point, this is the introduction of our project. The online shopping has become the increasingly popular in recent years due to the convenience and accessibility. However, one of the major challenges of the online shopping is inability to trying on clothing before the making of a purchase. It leads to high rates of returns and dissatisfaction among the customers. To address this issue, virtual dressing rooms are also has been developed to provide a way for customers to try on clothes virtually before making the purchase. The virtual dressing room application that generates GAN network to generate the realistic images for the user in different clothing options. By using a pre-trained GAN model, we can generate the high quality images of the user's body, which can be mapped onto the different clothing items in real time. The aim of the project is for virtual dressing room application using the GAN is to develop the system that allows the customers to try on clothes virtually and provide more informed decision before the making the purchase. This is the our project domain. The project domain for the virtual dressing room using the GANs is the field of the computer vision and vision learning, specifically in the area of image generation and processing. It also falls in with the domain of e-commerce and the online shopping with the focus of providing a more personalized and interactive shopping experience for the customers. The scope of the project is the image generation, clothing mapping algorithm, user interaction, performance optimization, and user feedback. By this, we can do the scoping of the project. These are the literature reviews from our project, and also the what they designed about the project. The project discrimination in the existing system is Amazon Echo Look, Meta and Metal Easy Try, Virtual Dressing Room by Gurugara. The proposed system was image generation, clothing mapping algorithm, user interaction, performance optimization, and feedback, as I said before. Using this, the shopping can occur easily. Coming to my system specification, the hardware specification processor is we can show everything our specification of the project, software specification and standards and policies. We are using the Anaconda prompt and also the Python based project. This is the general architecture of our project. It is the first data collection, then removing of invalid image pairs. After that, data splitting. After that, 80% training and the 20% test will be done. Then the image processing is takes place. Then after pixel brightness correction, geometric transformations, image segmentation and filtering. After that, GAN model is building. Then the style transfer using the cycle GAN. After the training the three modules, we are having the project having three modules that I will show in this. After the data optimizer and learning the rate optimize, then the last step is trying the virtual dresses. These are our general architecture and design phase. The user is taking the image processing and data splitting from to the virtual dressing room, and also GAN is using the Atom optimizer and segmentation to the virtual dressing room. These are the steps and with use case diagram of our project. The dataset can do the data splitting and image processing. The user can do on access only data collection. The algorithm makes geometric transformations, image segmentation and filtering, GAN modeling, style transfer using cycle GAN, trying on virtual dresses. This is our class diagram, and also this is our sequence diagram. This is our collaboration diagram. The steps are input, data cleaning, removal, image noise removal, and also the data training, building transfer, atom optimizer, using, the GAN model. Last is virtual designing room application. This is the activity diagram of style GAN. The algorithm of the project is virtual dressing room application using the GAN involves using generative adversarial networks to create the realistic virtual representation of a user's body and clothing algorithm. The algorithm uses the computer vision techniques such as pose, estimation, and segmentation to identify the user's body and isolate the clothing items. Then then you use it to generate the realistic image of the user wearing the cloth item. This technique can improve the online shopping experience, increase the customer satisfaction, and reduce the returns. This is our pseudocode. The steps are used in our project. The another topic it is the module discrimination. Description. We are done the three modules in our project, which are data collection from Kaggle, GAN network generation, and last one it is virtual real time on module implementation. The first it is from data collection from Kaggle. The experiments conducted in the datasets used Vuitton, and CPVTOA. It contains the 19,000 image pairs. Each of the includes the front view of woman or men image and the top of the clothing image. These are the four steps of image preprocessing techniques which are listed below. Which are the pixel brightness transformations or brightness corrections, geometric transformations, image filtering and segmentation. And last one it is Fourier transform and image restoration. In the GAN network generation, you can use the SG, which means semantic generation module, and CWM, which is the clothing wrapping module, and last one it is CFM, content fusion module. And also it is used to separate the target the cloth generation which is as well as preserve the body parts of the person without changing the pose and the rest of the details of human body. And last one it is virtual prime on module implementation. It is used by the deep learning toolkit PyTorch and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 GPU is required for our environment. This is the steps of the project. First, we need to install the Anaconda software and then installing the packages, and also the final one it is activate the new environment. This is our input design of our project. The, the input design which is shows the clothing items, body measurements, pre-processing, and also input format, GAN training, interface. These are the steps were used in input the design. This is our output design showing the 3D clothing representation, virtualization, customization options, realistic representation, and also the performance metrics. This is our output design of the our project, which is a virtual dressing of a human person. This is the shirt and the pant that we use. This is the types of testing we are doing: the unit testing, integration testing, system testing. This is the test result of the project of GAN. And finally, it is proposed system. The efficiency of the proposed system for a virtual dressing room application using the GANs and depends on the several factors, including the hardware used and the complexity of the GAN model and the efficiency of the GAN clothing mapping algorithm. The image generation process using the GANs can be intensive, particularly when generating high quality images. This is the existing system of the project and also proposed system. This is of the sample code of the project, which is used in our project. This is in the Python language. This is the actual output we got in the project. Finally, we are in the conclusion. In the conclusion, the virtual dressing room application using the GANs has the potential to virtualize the online shopping experience for the customers in the fashion industry. The proposed system can generate high quality images for the users spotting different poses and angles using the pre-trained GAN model. End up mapping the clothing onto the user's body in real time using the machine learning algorithm and also the GAN algorithm. The system also provides the interactive user interface that allows to select the different clothing options and adjust the fit and positioning of the clothing for the more personalized shopping experience. The future enhancements of the projects are improving improved clothing mapping algorithms, and also increased personalization, integration with augmented reality, expanded clothing selection, compatibility with smart wearers, multi-user support, improved security and privacy. These are our industry details we are done from Corizo Video in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. The duration of internship is January 2023 to May 5th. The duration, which is the 4 months internship. These are the offer letters that we got. Sai Varun, Sainadh, and Naveen. We got the ongoing certificate because we didn't. The time is so we didn't get completion certificate. This is also the source code of the project that we done in for the project in the Python language. This is our poster representation of our project that includes the standards, policies, legal architecture, implementation, conclusion, methodologies, introduction, and abstract, and also our teammates details. These are the references that we got from project, which are used in virtual racing and also virtual trial room that the done. These are the major general from the IEEE. Now, thank you for discussing about our project. Now we will do the implementation of the project. The project implementation of STYLEGAN using the first of all we open this is our data sets of the project. The shirts and pants were used for the virtual dressing and also the using the implementation we have to use only in the video mode and also we can open the camera using of camera also. First of all, we are doing only in the video mode only, so that we are opening the implementation of the command using of the command prompt. And also this is our the project of the Visual Studio Code of the flask.py. This is the that they save the project and also using of this code we can do the virtual tracing of the person and also wearing the shirt and pant, everything we can do in our project. The shape and size of the person and also the which is the calculates in this code only. The modules which are 2 and 3 are implemented in this only. This is the shirt code and also this is the pant code which are used in the project. And also we have the another source code also. This is the default XML code which is used for the showing the web page of our project. First of all, we are doing only the project implementation. So we have to run the code which is using the only Flask drive object code only. So we are doing the this is the in the Python language. So we have to try type py space Flask drive dot py. Using the enter code, we are getting the IP address and also running the HTTP address. So next we have to copy this IP address. By copying this IP address, we have to open the in Chrome browser or any other browser we need to open. The person we can he can wear the virtual dress of the of our project, having the white shirt and black. So we need to open the command prompt using of this project, and also as I said, the Python code we need to run the Python code. We got the IP address, so we need to copy the IP address, and also it is running the all the IP addresses also. So we need to open the Google Chrome and paste it the IP address and also hit the enter. This is the predict of the our project, and also these are the shirts and these are the pants we took of our project. This is the prediction of the project, and also we are using the video tool. By using of this, we can do the project of the angle. This is the person we can show the pro. This is the implementation of the project when it is start the project by using the control plus C. It quits the code of the project. This is our implementation, and also when it is comes from last try code, we need to capture the video, which is the test2.mp4. This is the this is the video used in this template, and for using the using the camera, we need to just type as 0. So we can by using of this we can open the camera, and also we can do the implementation of the project using a virtual image in live process. Thank you.